Friends, my name is Shubham Singh. Again, welcome you in the Mark My channel. Um, today is an interesting topic. Today, I just want to articulate that what is the importance of social media marketing. Um, at the past, I just make a video of 60 strategies that if you are just applying the 60 strategies in your business, so I think that you easily it is very useful for you, and not only it's a very useful for you, but you if you have assiduously you have to be get implement that particular strategies in your business. So I think that you easily intensify any kind of the business, whatever the business you want. Okay, so this is the 6 strategy I just given to my past videos. You please just try to get check it and try to get implement in your business. Today I just talking about the social media marketing. The social media marketing is one of the topic of that from the 6 topics. So particularly we are just today are articulate that how the social media marketing is play a very important role in any kind of the business. In this video I also be try to be get articulate that what is the importance of the social media marketing of, or if you use that social media marketing in appropriate way, so you are easily get sorted yourself from rest of your competitor. You are easily make create that kind of ability in your business that no competitor is to be there. Okay, so it is very important for us that we should try to understand that what is the importance of social media nowadays. So social media is play a very important roles. There are the two things actually: inbound marketing, outbound marketing. So in the inbound marketing is the marketing where you not want to be go with to the customer, to the consumer, or try to be convince them. Actually, in this outbound marketing is the traditional approach where the marketer, where the salespersons, where we go to the customers homes, and they are just trying to be get convince them to buy their products. Okay, so this is the traditional approach, and this approach is known as the outbound marketing. Nowadays, in that particular digital era, inbound marketing is very popular. Now the inbound marketing, what is inbound marketing? Inbound marketing is nothing, it is the attraction that you are not want to be go to your customer. The customer is automatically attracted towards your product, and how you have to, and the question is to be the right that how you attract the customer actually. So it's a very simple. Nowadays there are the different type of digital marketing tools to be there, where you're taking a where you take the example of Instagram, Facebook, and number of the things, Twitter, Telegram, WhatsApp, everything is to be there. But what you to do that you are just try to be get slowly and gradually try to be get present yourself is in the social media. Whatever the product you have to be manufacture, whatever the service, if you provide any kind of the service, you should try to slowly and gradually try to get increase your demand, increase your product presence of product in the social media platform, different type of platform. You also will try to be get used a different type of tools with the help of digital marketers. So I think that you easily accomplish yourself, you easily get your target audience. So social media play a very important roles. This is the era is a inbound marketing, where you not want to be go anywhere, you just simply sit and try to be get run your campaign in the different type of social media campaign. At the initially this thing I just many time I just can articulate that at the initially the peoples were not get the business. They are just went to be the different type of the places and try to be get convinced their customer. Still the convinced will be the not convinced, so they are just get the follow them. So there are the n number of the things if you are just talking about the traditional marketing. But now the era is totally the change. Digitalizations is to be occurs in every sector, so it's a very important that you should also be trying to make your presence in the digital marketing era, or is in the different type of social marketing tools. You used it in your business. Okay, and the one more thing I add on it, that mostly the marketer who is in the B2B, business to business marketing. Suppose you are not directly you not sell your product directly to the customer, you sell your product to the distributor, okay, or the retailer. So you are is in the B2B. So if you are is in the B2B, so the initially traditionally approach of the marketer is that we are not want to be get make accomplish ourselves, presence ourselves is in the digital marketing actually. But this approach is also be totally wrong. Now you have to be get find out the different type of digital marketing. You are find out the different type of things that in the B2B also, if you are have that kind of the capability to make your presence in the different type of social media, in the different type of applications like Facebook, Instagram, different type of, if you use that different type of social media applications, so I think that you are also be easily intensified your business with the ironically, and with the thoroughly, you have to be got the thing whatever you want to that. So it's a one of the lucrative opportunity for all our businessmen, whether they are the B2C or whether they are in the B2B. So this is the particular video I just only make for the social media marketing. There are the n number of video I just try to make out. I also in the future I just also will try to make the videos on the trade show marketing, and I also will try to make the videos on target audience, that how you choose your target audience. Okay, then in the future I also will try to make a special video on outbound marketing and inbound marketing. Actually these all are the 6 strategies. So I just decided out that I just try to make one particular videos, one particular I just try to get a one particular topic and try to get a video on it. So it will be help all our business persons, all our small retailer, wholesaler, all our manufacturer, all our entrepreneurs, or the persons who are really want to be make their self presence in the market, or really want to be do something different, who really want to be go is in the blue marketing, blue ocean. I just describe what is the blue ocean strategy. So the persons who really want to be make their self presence in the blue ocean, or if they really want to be get apply the blue ocean strategies, so we are just with you, and we are just provide you that how you make your business different from rest of your competitor, and how you make your competitor irrelevant. So please try to be get subscribe this channels, try to get share more and more people, because it will be helpful for our new entrepreneurs. Because you know very well, in every video I just try to be get mention these things, that after the COVID-19, post COVID-19, it's a very difficult to our businessmen to make their business in the field, especially the business who are is in the manufacturing, the businessmen who are is in the real estate, aviations, and is in the hospitality, as in the hotel industry, hotel management. So it's a very essential, it's not the essential I'm telling you, it's a very important that kind of the strategies that you should be applied in your business, and try to be make your business impeccable, make your business different rest of the things, because it is one of your lucrative opportunities. So thanks for watching guys, thanks, Jai Hind.